Now we are going to discuss the second idea, which is gaining electrons to form negative ions. Well, when nonmetals react with metals, the nonmetal atoms gain electrons to achieve the stable electronic structure of a noble gas. And that's the ideal idea and the main idea of ionic compounds when they form. They form to get stable structure. Let's take an example here, which is chlorine. Chlorine, for example, has the electronic structure 287. This means that it has 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and 7 electrons in the last and outermost shell. And it is in group 7 of the periodic table. And by gaining a single electron, it gets the stable electronic structure of argon, which is 288. By that I mean it has now 8 electrons in its outermost shell. That's why now it is stable. In this case, there is now one more electron than there are positive protons in the nucleus. So the chlorine atom becomes a negatively charged ion because electrons, they are negative. And if we have more electrons than the protons, this means that the negative charge is dominating all around the ion. This chloride ion carries a single negative charge, as you observe above here, and the formula of the chloride ion is written as Cl-, as you can observe here, with an electronic structure which is 288.